true form, sustainable health, natural body, weekly training plan. How to organize your workouts by muscle groups. If you want consistent progress, you need a weekly plan that tells you exactly what to train and when. You don't need a complicated bodybuilding split. You just need to understand how your muscles are organized and how often each group needs training. This video explains how to build a simple weekly plan based on muscle groups, so you always know what to do on each training day. 1. Why we divide training into push, pull, and legs. Your entire body can be organized into 3 movement patterns: push, chest, shoulders, triceps. Movements where you push weight away from your body. Pull, back, biceps. Movements where you pull weight toward your body. Legs, quads, hamstrings, glutes. All lower body work, including squats and hinges. These 3 pillars cover almost everything you do in the gym. Understanding this makes programming much simpler. And the home exercises from the previous video also fit perfectly into this system. Squats are a legs movement, push-ups are a push movement, and back extensions and pull-ups, for those who can do them, fall under pull. This means that even simple home workouts naturally teach you the fundamentals of push, pull, and legs. 2. Training splits. Full body, upper-lower, push, pull legs. There are 3 main ways to organize your week. Full body. Train all major muscles in one session. Great for beginners or people who train 2 to 3 times per week. Upper-lower. Upper body one day, lower body the next. Good for intermediates who train 3 to 4 times per week. Push-pull legs. PPL. Push day. Pull day, leg day. Ideal for 4 to 6 training days and for people who want clear separation between muscle groups. No split is perfect. The right one is the one that fits your schedule. 3. How often should you train? Each muscle group. Most people grow best with 10 to 20 sets per muscle group per week. This usually means training each group twice per week. Beginners, 2 to 3 days per week. Full body or upper, lower. Intermediates, 3 to 5 days per week. Upper, lower, or push-pull legs. Advanced, 5 to 6 days per week. Push-pull legs with variations. Frequency matters more than the number of exercises. Even simple plans work if they hit each muscle group regularly. 4. Weekly templates you can use. Here are examples you can apply immediately. If you train 2 days, day 1, full body, A. Day 2, full body, B. If you train 3 days, option 1, full body, 3 times. Option 2, push, pull, legs. If you train 4 days, upper, lower, upper, lower. If you train 5 days, push, pull, legs, upper, lower. If you train 6 days, push, pull, legs, 2 cycles. Choose the schedule that matches your life, not the perfect routine. 5. Combining muscle groups without overlap. One common mistake is training muscles that fatigue each other on back-to-back days. For example, training shoulders the day after chest, training biceps the day after back. Planning your week with push-pull legs solves this problem by spreading out fatigue. And as explained in the earlier video, the hidden half of muscle growth, recovery, each muscle group needs roughly 24 to 72 hours before you train it again. Large muscle groups like legs, chest, and back require more time, while smaller muscles like arms, shoulders, and abs recover faster. A good weekly plan respects these recovery windows, so each muscle gets the time it needs to grow. Conclusion. A weekly training plan doesn't need to be complicated. Understand the push-pull legs framework, choose the split that fits your schedule, and train each muscle group twice per week. In the next video, we'll explain how to structure the workout itself. why compound movements should come before isolation exercises. Subscribe so you don't miss it. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and start building a healthy, sustainable body with us.